Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make sorbet with a Ninja blender. First, ensure your frozen fruit is cut into small pieces for easier blending. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite fruit, a 1/4 cup of liquid, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetener. This simple combination is the foundation for delicious, homemade sorbet. Get ready to enjoy a refreshing treat in minutes. Now, let's get blending. Add your frozen fruit, liquid, and sweetener into your Ninja blender. Begin on a low setting to break down the fruit, then gradually increase the speed. If your blender has a tamper, use it to push ingredients towards the blades. Otherwise, pulse the mixture to ensure everything combines evenly. Keep blending until it reaches a smooth, thick consistency. Achieving the perfect sorbet texture is key. If the mixture seems stuck, stop the blender and scrape down the sides with a spatula. If it's too thick to blend, add just a teaspoon or 2 more of liquid at a time. You want a smooth, scoopable consistency, not a watery smoothie or a chunky ice mixture. Keep blending until it looks like soft-serve ice cream. Your homemade sorbet is ready. Serve it immediately in chilled bowls or glasses for the best experience. You can add a garnish like fresh berries or a sprig of mint to make it extra special. This quick and easy recipe is perfect for a healthy dessert or a refreshing snack. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.